I am on day 5 of zero weed for the past 6 years of chronically smoking, and here is what I am experiencing from withdrawal. My confidence went from maybe a 5 to probably a 10. I need to knock the ego down a bit sometimes, especially while I'm driving. I've noticed my thoughts have been a lot more clear. My energy levels been from here to here. Like, I just want to constantly be doing stuff that is productive and good for myself. I've also been feeling my true, accurate emotions. Weed truly suppresses them and makes you forget about what you were even sad, mad, or conflicted about. Meaning, it gives you room to grow because you are consciously understanding where you need to change, where you're going wrong, etc. I do get spurts of, I want to smoke weed because what it does, my brain moves so fast. Sometimes it's like, la 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 la. I just want to slow down, but I've learned now to kind of regulate that on my own through breathing, reading a book, breath work, or going to work out, just anything that's natural for my body. I have been experiencing some negative effects, though. At night, I have been sweating profusely, but that's just because my body's learning how to regulate the chemicals on their own again. I've been experiencing headaches, but that's actually because THC, if you do it chronically for 6 years like I did, your brain expects release or relaxation from the chemical instead of naturally producing it for itself, because your brain actually has cannabinoid receptors that help your muscles relax on their own. But if your body is so used to THC consumption, it's not going to do that on its own. So my body's been regulating or recalibrating recently. I don't even want it. It's just that habit that keeps, creeping in. It's like, do it. But no. The key is to not have any access to it. And I'm not going to go out when it's cold, And I'm feeling very motivated, and I've never felt this much mental clarity. And I didn't realize how big of a problem it was until recently. So, if you're struggling with weed addiction, it can be done. You might suck at sleeping for the first few days, because I have had terrible sleep. But still, even with terrible sleep, my energy is up here. So you guys can do it if I can do it. I was a chronic user.